Hello, today, I'll guide you through getting started with Godot, so you can start building your first game in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's get Godot. Head over to Godot Engine org and download the latest stable version. It's super lightweight, no installation needed, just download, extract, and run. If you download the .NET version, make sure to install Microsoft.NET. When you open Godot, you'll see the project manager. Click New Project and choose a folder to save it. Once inside, let's explore the interface. You can switch between 2D and 3D scene by click on these buttons. Let's create a basic game scene. First, add a 2D node as the root. Then add character body 2D. Add sprite 2D to character body 2D. Load image to sprite 2D texture field. You can watch more about how to import 2D image into Godot on my linked video. Hold Shift and drag to scale it down. Now add collision shape 2D to the character node. New rectangle shape, and adjust to fit the character. Cool, now select character body 2D node, and add the script into it. This script will handle character movement based on keyboard input. Perfect, let's play and test it out. Use left and right arrow keys to move the character. If you want to move faster, come back to the script and increase speed value. And that's how you get started with Godot. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more game dev tutorials, and let me know what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.